Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix keyboard disappeared issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on general management, click on keyboard and click on default keyboard. And if you want to fix this problem, so click on Samsung keyboard. After click on Samsung keyboard and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and restart phone. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on apps. After click on apps and search Samsung keyboard. Click on Samsung keyboard. For example, this is Samsung keyboard. Click on Samsung keyboard and click on storage. Click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.